Hey, this is just going to be a quick little run through on multiple artboards, how to make them when you first create a document, or if you forgot how to add one once you've already got started. Came from a question from a student. What's the difference between multiple documents and multiple artboards? Well, right now I have two documents open. You can see my tabs here, a tab for one document and a tab for another. However, you see that my documents have a bunch of different artboards in them. This one has 3, this one has 6. So in one document you can have multiple artboards, and this is a great reason because I'm doing logo work, so this is a good time to break down different iterations, color combinations, singularities, and so on, so that you can give some ideas to your client or whatever. So I'm going to create a new document, and I'll just go with a print document for default. At the top of this window is the number of artboards you want in this document. So if I'm asking for 2 because you're doing a still life assignment, then you're going to put it at 2. And that means that, well, depending on your spacing and how you want these set up, when you hit OK, there are your 2 documents. So I'll have one still life here in this one and another still life in this one. Now, if I created a new document with only one artboard because I wasn't thinking and I need another one, then I'm going to use my artboard tool, which is this guy at the bottom of your toolbar. I click on that, and I now have some settings at the top of the control bar here where I could change the layout of this one if I wanted to, set it to landscape instead of portrait. Or I can click on this button, which is New Artboard. If I click on the new artboard, it takes the exact settings of the selected artboard and will let me just go click. All I have to do is click. I don't have to drag. I can just click, and I get a new artboard of the same dimensions. Now I have 2. And this is how you could keep going. If you wanted 6, you would just keep adding more. You can also edit your artboards. You can make them smaller, bigger, whatever. You can arrange them so that they work better in your document. In fact, one of the things that I like to see when my students turn in their work on these artboard or these still life assignments with 2 artboards is I like to see them next to each other instead of like this. Because what I do is I say, all right, let's show all artboards, which is a quick command. It's Command Option 0. But I don't get to see them as well as I do if they're side by side. So if I do Command Alt or Option 0, now they're nice and big, and it makes the workflow much better. If you want to get rid of an artboard with the artboard tool, you just select the one you want to get rid of and you hit delete and it's gone. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Hope that helps. Later.